in this question given that AB equal to QR and BC equal to RP and CA equal to PQ. That is, in this question given AB equal to QR, BC equal to RP and CA equal to PQ, and question is find angle C of triangle ABC. Find angle C of triangle ABC and find all angles of triangle PQR. All angles of triangle PQR. Okay. Now consider in this triangle ABC, two angles are given, that is 40 degree and 60 degree, and we don't know what is the angle C. How we find angle C? That is, we studied in earlier classes, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That is, we can write here in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now given angle A equal to 40 degree and angle B equal to 60 degree. Okay. That is 40 degree plus 60 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Now 40 plus 60 equal to 100. 100 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Then what is angle C? Angle C equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. That is equal to 80 degree. Okay. That is, we got angle C equal to 80 degree. Okay. Now we have to find out the all angles of triangle PQR, that is angle P, angle Q and angle R. How we find these angles? For finding these angles, in this question given that these sides are equal, consider the first one, AB equal to QR. That is, in these two triangles all three sides are equal to all three sides of this triangle. Therefore, these two triangles are equal. Okay. Therefore, for finding the angles of these triangles, consider the equal sides. Here AB equal to QR. Then what is the opposite angle of AB? Opposite angle of AB is angle C. Therefore, we can write angle C equal to, here opposite angle of QR. What is opposite angle of QR? This equal to angle P. Angle C equal to angle P. Then we know what is angle C. Angle C equal to 80 degree. Therefore, angle P also equal to 80 degree. Okay. Now consider the second side, BC equal to RP. Then what is opposite angle of BC? Opposite angle of BC is angle A. Okay. Angle A equal to, what is opposite angle of RP? Opposite angle of RP is angle Q. Angle Q. Okay. Then we know that angle A is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, angle Q also 40 degree. Okay. Now consider the third one, third side, CA equal to PQ. Then consider the side CA. CA. What is the angle opposite of this side CA? It is angle B. Therefore, angle B equal to, here CA equal to PQ. For consider the side PQ. Then what is the angle opposite of PQ? That is angle R. Therefore, angle B equal to angle R. Then what is angle B? 60 degree. This angle R also 60 degree. Okay. Therefore, the all angles of triangle PQR is 80 degree, 40 degree and 60 degree. Okay. And in this question, given that AB equal to QR, AB equal to QR and BC equal to PQ and CA equal to PR. Now, question is find all angles in both these triangles. Okay. Given that these three sides are equal, then how we find? Here only one angle is given. In this figure also one angle is given. Then how we find the other two angles in both of these triangles? Now consider these sides are equal, that is in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR all three sides are equal. Therefore, we studied that in a triangle all three sides are equal, then their angles are also equal. Okay. Now for finding the equal angles, consider the first sides, that is AB equal to QR. Okay. AB equal to QR. Then AB equal to QR, then what are the angles opposite of these two sides? Consider the AB, sides AB. Then what is opposite angle of AB? That is angle C. Therefore, we can write angle C equal to here QR, opposite angle of QR. Opposite angle of QR is angle P. Angle P. Okay. Now consider the second sides. What is that? BC and PQ. Then angle opposite of BC. Angle opposite of BC is 60 degree. That is angle A. That is we can write angle A equal to here the opposite angle of PQ. Opposite angle of PQ is angle R. Okay. And we know that it is given that angle A equal to 60 degree. Okay. Therefore, we can write angle R equal to also 60 degree. Okay. But here we do not know what is angle C and what is angle P. Okay. Now consider the third one, CA equal to PR. Then angle opposite of this side CA, that is angle B. Okay. That is angle B equal to, now consider PR. Angle opposite of PR is angle Q equal to angle Q. And it is given that angle Q is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle Q and angle B both are equal to 70 degree. Okay. Now you can write the given angles, that is angle A equal to 60 degree, here angle R equal to 60 degree. Okay. And angle B equal to angle Q equal to 70 degree. Okay. Therefore, angle B equal to 70 degree. Okay. Then how we find angle C? How we find? Okay. For finding angle C, we know that the sum of three angles of a triangle are 180 degree. Therefore, consider in this triangle angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Okay. And we know angle A and angle B. What is angle A and angle B? 60 degree plus 70 degree. Okay. Plus angle C equal to 180 degree, that is 130 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Okay. Then what is angle C? Angle C equal to 180 degree minus 1, angle C equal to 50 degree. Then what is angle P? That is also 50 degree. That is angle P. Therefore, angle P also 50 degree. Okay. This 50 degree and angle P 50 degree. Okay. Here the question is, are the angles of these two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle ABD, equal or not? Okay. We consider the two triangles here, that is triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Consider these two triangles. Here only given these two sides and these two sides. Then how we find the angles of these two triangles? Now consider the first triangle, triangle ABC, triangle ABC. Okay. Here AC equal to 8 centimeter and BC equal to 6 centimeter, and we don't know what is the side AB. Okay. Now consider the second triangle ABD. Here also these two sides are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and we don't know what is AB. Now in these two triangles we can say that the three sides are equal, isn't it? For that, consider in this figure, in triangle ABC, AC equal to 8 centimeter. AC equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Now in this triangle AD equal to 8 centimeter. AD equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore we can write AC equal to AD. Okay. Now consider BC in triangle ABC. BC equal to 6 centimeter. BC equal to 6 centimeter, and in triangle ABD, BD equal to 6 centimeter. BD equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore we can write BC equal to BD. BC equal to BD. Now in these two triangles, one side is common. What side? AB. AB is common to both of these two triangles. Therefore we can write AB equal to AB. That is common side. Common side. That is, we got in these two triangles the three sides. What are they? AC equal to AD and BC equal to BD and AB equal to AB. That is, in these two triangles all three sides are equal. Therefore, we studied that in a triangle all three sides are equal to three sides of another triangle, then the angles are also equal. Therefore, the angles of triangle ABC and triangle ABD are equal. Okay. Here in this question given that AB equal to AD and BC equal to CD. AB equal to AD and BC equal to CD. Question is, compute all angles of this quadrilateral. Compute all angles of this quadrilateral A, B, C, D. In this question given AB equal to AD and BC equal to CD. Then how we find the all angles of this quadrilateral ABCD? For that, here there are two triangles. Consider these two triangles, that is triangle ACD and triangle ACB. ACB. Okay. It is given this angle equal to 30 degree and this angle is equal to 50 degree. Okay. And one more condition is given, AB equal to AD and BC equal to CD. AB equal to AD and BC equal to CD. Okay. Now, in these two triangles, first we consider AB equal to AD. Okay. AB equal to AD. Now, consider BC equal to CD, and in these two triangles, one side is common. Which side? AC. AC is common to both of these two triangles. Okay. Therefore, we can write AC equal to AC, common side. Okay. Now, in these two triangles, the three sides of triangle ADC and the three sides of triangle ABC are equal. Therefore, their angles are also equal. Okay. Now, for finding the equal angles, we consider the equal sides. Here, AB equal to AD. Consider these two triangles ACD and ACB. First, we consider the equal sides AB and AD. Then, what is the angle opposite of AB? Angle opposite of AB in this triangle. Angle opposite of AB in this triangle is angle ACB. Okay, that is angle ACB equal to angle opposite of AD in this triangle. Angle opposite of AD in this triangle is equal to angle ACD. Angle ACD, that is angle ACB equal to angle ACD, and given that angle ACB equal to 50 degree, that is equal to 50 degree. Okay. Now, consider the second side BC equal to BD. Now, consider BC in this triangle. The angle opposite of this side BC equal to this angle. Angle BAC. Okay. That is, we can write angle BAC. Now, consider the side CD in this triangle. The side CD in this triangle, and the angle opposite of this side CD is angle DAC. Therefore, we can write angle DAC, and it is given that DAC equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle BAC also 30 degree. Okay. That is, we can write angle ACB 50 degree, ACD this also 50 degree. Okay. Now, here also angle DAC equal to 30 degree, BAC equal to 30 degree, BAC equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now, what is angle D and what is angle B? Okay. Now, consider in this triangle ADC, two angles are, we got two angles, okay, 30 degree, 50 degree. Then how we find angle D? We know that sum of these three angles are equal to 180 degree. That is, in this triangle, this 30 degree, 50 degree, okay. That is 30 plus 50, 80 degree. Then what is angle D? 180 minus 80, that is equal to 100 degree. Okay. Similarly, in this triangle, angle B equal to here 30, 50, the sum of these two angles equal to 30 degree, 50 degree. Therefore, for finding the third one, we can minus 180 minus 30 plus 50, 30 plus 50 equal to 80, that is 180 minus 80 equal to 100 degree. Okay. Therefore, the all angles, we have to find out all angles of these quadrilateral. What are the angles of quadrilateral ABCD? The angles of quadrilateral ABCD are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Okay. For finding angle A, What is angle A? Angle A equal to this whole angle. Okay, that is here 30 plus 30. That is angle A equal to 30 degree plus 30 degree equal to 60 degree. Now angle B is equal to 100 degree and angle C. Angle C equal to 50 degree plus 50 degree equal to 100 degree, and angle D. Angle D equal to 100 degree. Okay. Now some questions for you. Find all pairs of matching angles. These two questions are for you. Find all pairs of matching angles. In these two questions, find all pairs of matching angles. Okay.